Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2481st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you for tuning in. You must know the risks behind this game if you've ever traded ever. You know how risky it is, right? You couldn't have always won. So if you don't know the risks behind this game, please understand it's very risky. Never trade without protective stops, all right? And put those stops in first. Here we are, Monday night for trading Tuesday, October 18th, 2022. You're looking at the OMNI S&P weekly bar chart, where every one of these red or green lines, if you will, or bars, represents a full week's worth of trading. Long-term chart this is. I've shown this to you in many videos, but just to reiterate, let's go look at it. You've got something that Wall Street absolutely loves. They love to keep their eyes on the 200 bar moving average, and of course it makes sense because the world watches it and it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Many things happen around the 200 bar moving average. So you better believe algorithms on Wall Street keep an eye on that, and it's built into their trading programs. Well, as you know, when you get to the 200 bar moving average, with the exception of COVID, that's the COVID drop, you hold and rally. And last time you came down, you hit it, no COVID in town, you held and rallied. And the time before that, you came all the way down, just about hit it, no COVID in town, and rallied. Right? Here, came down and hit it. Of course, we've looked at that. And it rallied. So, here we are, right now. And I'll tell you what, kids, Wall Street's paying attention to this. We are on the third week now. When I started to say this is do or die week, we were back here. We had 1 week. We were just touching the average for the first time. First do or die week was the big green spike up here. Second do or die week, we're still above it. We are on week 3. I promise Wall Street's starting to notice. That's why the market's getting more bullish. It's actually holding here for now. The week is not over, and this weekly bar surely could end up all the way down here, right? You could have a red bar by the end of the week. It's only Monday night going on Tuesday. You could end up here with a red bar, but that's not what we're looking at the moment. We're looking at something that's held the average this week so far and has rallied out. Wall Street's paying attention, so should we. The OMNI has flipped to buy the dips, and we will buy a dip if we can get a fill. Traders, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and come join me in my live trading room. No credit cards are required. Just come join at livewithoscar.com. Okay, now, keep your emotions out of trading, kids. You know we say this in every video. How do you keep your emotions out of trading? Well, put your darn stops in first. That'll help a lot with emotions. And then say this to yourselves over and over again. And by now, I hope you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you at my site, livewithoscar.com.